Good morning. You guys haven't seen it. This is the new rig. Well, it's not my new rig. I bought it for the woman as a backup vehicle. But as a lot of you guys know, the Escalade's burned down. So we're using that to pick up our new car. And we're over here at the shop. All right, so we're meeting up with this homie here. His name is Saul. He's going to sell me a horrible car. He said he was cool with me putting him on YouTube. So he's a little camera shy. He's a cool guy. But guys, he's selling me this GTST or GTR?
This is GTS.
GTS. Yeah, he said he's going to take 3,000 cash for this. Look at this. It's a title too, guys. I can't believe I got my new GTR. No, I'm kidding. Here's my new piece of shit. We're going to go inside and chat, but he's got a pretty cool spot. They import, and they got an R33 GTR over there, and they got some other cool stuff. And this is Evo 9, right? Yeah, Evo 9. And just casually an R34 GTR hiding back here. No, he said we have others, like it's Walmart. We have others inside. He got an R32 GTR. That thing is sexy. Dang, another R33 i300, and you got it looks like a Cayman back there. Good spot, good spot. Oh, it's like a SamWow commercial. But wait, there's more. Yo, this is a crazy spot. Yo, you would never know. I mean, obviously you don't need to know that this is like all in here. You got a fucking Z3M wagon? The sound, the shoe clue? I can't even speak. The clown shoe is crazy. Sheesh. Damn, that's what year is these? This is like what? No, I'm saying these were like, the sticker was what, like 2002, 2004? Cannibal run car. Oh, this is a S54 car. Lovely, lovely. Oh, no, the S52, I lied. Ugh. And these look like the Audi 6-pot brakes on here. Got an SR swapped Corolla hiding back here too. Shit. And then that's the FD you're talking about?
That is the four
rotor.
Yeah. No, four rotor is the company is the Ford car.
Ah,
So,
okay,
you know,
okay.
I tried to explain you. I don't speak much English, so that is the carbon fiber car complete.
Oh shit! Wow. Oh shit! Damn, you got seats up there. You want to sell me some seats?
No, it's not my.
Ah, okay. This is all the stuff with the import. Wow. This is a really, really cool shop.
This side is much better.
So that one is NA 13B, like 2-rotor.
I don't know.
So, and he said there's more, guys. Oh boy. It just doesn't stop. God damn, this place is huge. This place is freaking huge. And he's got a Gallardo in the corner. Wow. 2J GTE. Yeah.
I don't know what put the engine there.
What, for the Gallardo? Oh, for the... Gosh. Holy crap. All right, I'm going to help him look for this engine real quick. All right, guys, this guy's got to go home to his wife. She's going to be sad and happy he sold it, but happy he's got money. Sad that it's gone because he said he liked it, but we're going to make it pretty. It'll be nice. All right, bro, let me not hold you out too long. It's nice to meet you. Appreciate the tour. And, yeah, we'll make it pretty. I promise. It'll be pretty.
Yeah.
All right, so we are here at Charismatic Auto. We're at HQ. There's the puppies. Been here for a little bit. Just been working on the Z. And as you can see, Barack has a new car. You'll see that tomorrow on a private day. Yeah, let's get over to the Z real quick. Fast forward. But yeah, Z is all together enough to drive. Only one fan is turning on. You think I'm gonna do fine tomorrow? Only one fan? That's okay, I'm gonna run his door before I have to shut off the car. But yeah, I'm gonna try to get this thing together. We shaved the top of the rat's core so it can pull back a little bit. And yeah, so I got some aluminum piping, gonna take off the headlight, try to get that out. Other than that, I'm pretty happy with how straight it came out. Shout out to the boy Ricky for getting all nice and straight. And we're gonna try to get this going. All right. I do not remember where I left off, but put the old bumper on just to see how good the front end looks. And you know, front end is together enough. I just got buttoned up, but coolant's all bled for whatever reason. One fan's not turning on. I'm gonna get that figured out. We have the intake coming out the front. You kind of see the silver pump. Silver pipe coming through those holes over there. And again, not using this bumper. I have another one, which is gonna allow a shit ton of air to come into here. This bumper was kind of restrictive. HR hood looks good. But yeah, this car is gonna have a whole different paint. I already ordered it because I had to order it instead of us mixing the paint because it's actually gonna be a 3-stage pearl. Can't wait for you guys to see that, but I think I'm gonna wrap it up here. I'll unload the other Z. I think I'll start making videos for that one, but I got a whole, ooh. Well, yeah, no, you guys will know what it is. I don't know why I was saying it like I'm hiding what it is, but for now, leave it here. I'm gonna order parts for the blue car, and we'll fix this thing up later. Deuce.